Why would you do that?
Dreams and anguish bring us together.
Oh, Brian. Oh my God.
You guys ready for this?
Give me the pussy mouse.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yo, we going to Mahoney's?
I'm not.
It's New Year's. What are you doing sleep?
Fuck you! Jesus Christ, Robert!
So I had to wear gym shorts. So I don't have to get. The thing with the door.
No.
What's the thing with the.
At home rape.
Stop! Stop!
Scare cam.
God damn it, Richard. Fucker.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
I just like that. You don't. What?
You're a dick.
Scare cam.
Kenzie, I'm telling you, I'm gonna fucking throw.
Rape bone.
Take the money. You fucking idiot! Wow, fuck. Jesus Christ. I don't have.
Birthday party day. It's birthday party day.
Would you cut it out with that damn thing?
Say hi.
Hola! Alright, fuck you! What the fuck?
Mary, say that shit for school.
You know, right?
Scare cam.
Motherfucking shit, fuck.
Tahoma!
sister outside?
I think I see her car. Don't do that.
Scary?
About to scare the shit out of some people.
Scare cam.
God! You bitch. Bitch.
Oh, fuck off! Oh, that's fucking ear!
Where's the girl?
She still has her even dick.
Lord.
I'm not.
Oh my god, Jen, stop.
Better. There's nothing down there, baby.
Scare cam. Air horn. Oh, he meant. Strawberry moving off. You fucking bitch. That's loud.
I'm the meanest babysitter ever.
God damn it.
Today, 5 a.m. to 10:30. Well, that's what just.
Whatever.
Alright, smile.
Scare cam. Twat.